Just making another video, show you my young ones. It's a little messy in here. I haven't cleaned it as yet. Show you my first 2012, 2013 young ones. I got two in here. That's two in here. I think supposed to have two more in here. Oh, these guys are defending the young ones. Got another two in here also. These are the smallest. Yeah. These are, I guess those are the smallest. These guys are a little bit older. Should have eggs in this box soon. Oh, the yellow girl. She got two big ones. Those are some big guys right there. This is probably like a couple of days. They soon get ready for banding. In a little bit. These are my new German classics. I always like these. I'm gonna try to breed them. Let's see if I can actually catch a breed. I always like them. Never fly them before. I'm gonna try to see if I could breed them these for summer. If I don't do good with them, you know, I'll just get rid of them. But they nice to look at. The guys said they fly very well, so I'm gonna try them out and see. You know the regular guys. They're not really doing too much right now. It's supposed to be in there, so over there.